Hi guys, welcome back to my channel where I do how-to videos on various topics. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can retrieve your Google Meet recordings from your Google Drive. You're going to type in my drive in Google. From there, if you are not signed in, you'll be prompted to sign in. So click on sign in Google Drive. I'm signed in, so it will just go straight to my Google Drive. But if you are not, you would have to sign in with the account that you had made the recording with. Once you are signed in, you're going to see a folder called Meet Recordings. Once you double click on that, you're going to see all of the Meet recordings that you had previously done. Since they wouldn't have been renamed, you would have to just look at the dates that they were done, and of course the preview that is there. So from here you have the option to right click and you get a drop down menu. So from here you can get the link for the video to share with your class, or you can click on share. Once you click on share, you can either add the email addresses that you would like it to be shared to, or you can copy the link and you can paste that link in your class, either in the stream section, or you can paste it as an assignment under classwork. That's one of the options. Or you have the option of downloading this file as well. So if you want to download in order to make changes to the recording or to add something to it, you can go ahead and click on download, and you will be prompted to choose the folder in which you want it to be downloaded. You can make a copy. So you have so many things that you can do here. You can move it to another location in the drive, you can rename it, or you can add it to your workspace. So there are so many things that you can do with it from here. So this is where you can retrieve your Google Meet recordings and transfer them either to your students individually, or if you want to use them as a means of creating an assignment or giving further materials for the students to study or practice. Thank you so much for staying tuned to the end of this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos like this one. See you in the next one.